Guys, I have to be really quiet. I'm really hot because it's hot today, but I bought Siaosi a PS4 and I need to prank him to make it look like it's not a PS4, because I know he's been expecting it because he's been asking me all this time since he bought me my Mac. But Siaosi's inside, like our room's all the way at the end of the house, and he thinks that I just went to my mum and dad's house. Well, I did. I got it shipped there because obviously I can't get it shipped here. So I just went and picked it up and I've come back and I'm about to give it to him. So I'm just pranking him first. I'm gonna put my hand back in there and pretend that it's a present. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. What are you doing? Close your eyes, I got a gift for you. Huh?
What's that?
Take it, it's heavy. Can you take it from my hands? Okay. Open it. Open it.
It's your birthday.
What did you think it was? You got food. What maybe always a prank.
A prank, leave up with me. I
What? Ay, may nga lang ala kumula pisyo ba nga. What did you think it was? Did you think it was something else?
No.
Stop lying.
No, honest.
Yes, you did. You thought it was something else. I know you thought it was something else.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Thank you, baby.
Surprise!
Hi, guys. I'll go now. I'm staying.
No, you're coming. Siaosi has been bugging me for the longest time to get him a PS4, and I've just been putting it off because I'm like, we are not going to get any chores done if he gets a PS4, are we? Yes, we are.
What?
You're not going to do any fiddles?
No, I always do fit. What do you mean? Me, guys, I do everything.
And he's been expecting it and expecting. I was like, don't worry, the time will come, the time will come. So that's why when I gave him the box, he thought, you thought it was it. Anyways, guys, I also got him some extras. I got you Call of Duty. And I got us Crash Bandicoot, because I like that game. And I got us an extra control.
Oh, thank you, baby. You make me feel crying. Guys, look, this is my gift. I'm so happy. More happy.
See what I mean, guys? I've just given him the PlayStation, and then we were planning to go somewhere. He just got out of the car right now, and he's unwrapped it and he's plugging it to the TV.
Guys, because even herself, I just bought his laptop and he's good straight, and her put straight in and play it on.
Well, God, we're going somewhere. Can't you just...
We'll just connect it first and then leave it down here.
Yeah. Ele ia se finga ka. Me kongwa le musue ya me me. Sure, so se me ka ki o me ile ya lu ya tu sa ho ya tu sa ho. Sure, le fia ka alu fa ko di ya ko se konge nga va ko ile me ang ni mai lunga I ko ne. See what I mean, guys? This is exactly why I did not want to get him a PS4. Now we're not even going to go to our plans that we had because he wants to play the PS4.
But I give thanks to my wife for making this for me, to bring this present for me, not about this, but about our love. Me kauria o le alofa o le ngari i le kasi ia e whaakimo se me maua e o uare fia ma le whewhang ia ma le happy every time is a good family.
Oh, I probably should have given it to him tonight, but I was thinking it's going to be really hard for me because I never go out at night. And if I would have went out to the boot and stuff, he would have been like, what are you doing? And he would have been real sus. See what I mean, guys? We've been here 45 minutes extra than we had planned to.
No.
Yes, we did. And I knew it when I gave Siaosi that box, that he was expecting to see a PS4 because he's been bugging me for the longest time to get him a PS4.
Let's go. Don't lie to everyone.
I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and look out for more vlogs coming soon.